Hi friends, in this small video we're going to be changing the keyboard of the dv6000 Pavilion series of HP notebooks. The procedure is very simple. I just wanted to share this thing with you. One of the clients that we have has got this HP dv6000, as you can see, and with a faulty keyboard. So let's just start doing this thing. So as you can see, we have another spare keyboard with us. This is the spare keyboard that we are going to be fitting in, and there are these 3 screw rudders, 1, 2 and 3. So this has to be fitted. So as always, the first thing that we do here is to flip the laptop and remove the batteries. So as we remove the battery, you can see there will be some screws that will be exposed here. As you can see, there's this one screw here, another screw here, and another screw is there somewhere inside. So we'll just start unscrewing first thing first. Another screw is on here. So we have to, using this video you can also upgrade the RAM as well as the hard drive. We'll show you in the process. This particular panel is basically covering the RAM, the memory that the laptop has. So as you can see, there are these 2 DIMM slots. This is basically having a DDR2 SODIMM RAM here. So you can upgrade your RAM just by removing this RAM and upgrading it. This is the Wi-Fi chip here, and if the Wi-Fi chip goes wrong, you can just remove it. This is the CMOS cell, as you can see. So you can just remove the CMOS cell from here. There's a small connector here, as you can see, and you can just replace the CMOS cell too. You'll just again fit it back because it's not faulty. So getting back to the keyboard, as you can see, there is a small little screw which is there hiding here. So we have to remove the screw too. And 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now we need to remove these screws here. These screws are basically holding onto the panel. Keep the screws in groups, as you can see. Keep the screws in groups, do not mix them. This is one for the panel here, as you can see, and these are the screws for the keyboard. So let's flip it back. So we basically need to remove this upper panel here. Just take a small little wedge kind of a screw and remove this top cover. Do it a little gently because there are wire strips connected to this thing for the display on this particular panel. As you can see, this thing is out. You can just remove it. And next is you just need to flip out the keyboard. So the keyboard is out now, and as you can see, you have to remove the cable connecting the keyboard. There will be 2 notches which you have to remove, and keyboard is out now. We have to fit in the new keyboard. This is the new keyboard here, so we'll just again notches now, and we'll again place the keyboard back to its original position. Just see to it that the keyboard is fitting well inside, and then just give a little pressure on the top panels so that it fits back. So now again you have to flip it back and fix in the screws back to screw number 1. Screw number 2. Screw number 3 is fitted now. And the 3 screws which connect the display panel of the HP Pavilion. Now if you want to change the hard drive, you just need to remove this panel here. There are 2 screws which are holding this thing. And you can remove it. And, you just need to pull it up. Yep. So as you can see, this thing comes out. Need not worry after seeing this connector here, because this is an additional connector that some hard drives been connected to. Just need to remove it so that the inner SATA port can be revealed for you. Right, so this is a normal SATA hard drive, internal laptop hard drive, that you have to replace if you want to. Fit the connector back and you can directly just hard press it, and that's it. Your hard drive has been replaced. Let's also in the meanwhile cover as to how we need to change the DVD writer. Okay friends, so this is the way you change the keyboard of the HP Pavilion dv6000. In the process we've also shown you how to upgrade the hard drive, the memory, the Wi-Fi chip, and also the CMOS cell. So thanks a lot guys, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe if you like the videos, do give your comments. Thanks a lot.